Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to register at Garena. So let's get started. So if you want to register at Garena, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for Garena login. And after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for Garena sign up. After searching for Garena sign up, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says registration. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just enter your username. After entering your username, now you have to create a password for your account and then re-enter that password that you have just entered in the second blank. So after creating a password for your account, now what you can do is just enter your email address that you would like to link your Garena account with. So after entering your email address, just tap on verification code, and after tapping on verification code, now you'll receive a verification code on the email address that you have just entered. So after entering your verification code, now what you can do is select a country that you are from. So after selecting that country, now what you can do is, if you want to enter your mobile number or if you want to link your Garena account with your mobile number, you can do that. So to link with your mobile number, you just have to enter your mobile number over here. So before entering your mobile number, you have to select your PIN code or your country code. So after selecting your country code, now you can enter your mobile number. So if you don't want to enter your mobile number, you don't have to enter your mobile number because it's an optional option. So if you would like to link your Garena account with your mobile number, you can do that. If you don't have to. So after entering all the details, now you can tap on this option and check this option which says I agree to the terms of services and private policy. And after checking that option, now tap on register now. And after doing that, here you can see you have successfully registered at Garena. So that's it guys, this is how to register at Garena. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.